Hey everyone, Greg here with Collectiv. Today I'm going to talk to you about why I think Power BI is such a great tool for reporting across the enterprise. Um, I think the biggest reason why I like Power BI is its ability to automate so many mundane processes that most organizations do on a day-to-day basis when it comes to reporting. So think about if you have an Excel report that you're constantly, exporting to Excel, transforming your data, you know, adding columns, etc. What Power BI really does is it allows you to automate those processes. So you automate them once and you're done. So it's kind of like a one and done deal. Once you've built that data into your report, and then now you take that report and you publish it to the Power BI service, which is where you actually collaborate with your reporting, where you can actually share it with end users, and you set up your data refreshes. This is where the big value comes in, because not only have I just automated all those transformations, now I've scheduled a data refresh so that I can connect directly to my data source, and it's going to automatically pull in my data on a daily basis, potentially even in an hourly basis. So I'm no longer running these reports on a monthly basis, maybe a weekly basis, whatever it is. So my business analysts, who are usually, building these reports out, they can now spend more time doing what they actually need to do, which is analyzing the business and seeing how the business can improve its inefficient processes, rather than taking half of their time building these reports to prove those inefficiencies. So again, like I said, one of my favorite features of Power BI and why it brings so much value to the enterprise is its ability to automate those mundane processes that you currently are doing with your existing reporting systems. Stay tuned for more advice and some of my favorite features about Power BI and other videos. Would love to hear you guys' comments below in the chat, and thanks again for watching.